Thank you, Teacher Nitz, for introducing to us the objectives of today's lesson.
Hello once again, mga kasipnayan. Would you like me to tell you a story? Wow, that's great. Okay, so let me ask you this. Have you heard a Filipino legend entitled Alamat ng Pinya? Alamat ng Pinya would like to tell us about a story of a girl named Pina who kept on asking her mother where she could find the things that she was looking for. Her mother told her to keep looking carefully and she'll definitely see it. Then, Pina's mother wished that her daughter would have a lot of eyes to be able to find those things. One day, her daughter was nowhere to be found, and instead, she discovered this new and strange fruit at her backyard that seemed to have a lot of eyes. That strange fruit is believed to be pina, that eventually became pinya in our local term. Can you imagine if Pina at first knew where exactly to check? Would she still have a hard time locating things compared to being given such direction? Like there, dyan or doon, here or dito in Filipino? Well, that's correct. It would be a great help if we are given the exact location. Now, I want you to look at this picture. This one is a picture of the world map. Where is the Philippines in this map? And how will you describe the location of our country in this map with respect to the equator and prime meridian? Wow, very good answer. The Philippines is located above the equator and to the right of the prime meridian. Do you think that these imaginary lines, the equator and prime meridian, are important? Why? Well, your answer is correct. Great job, Kasipnayan.
Created using Powtoon.